Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to change the font style in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change font style in Telegram, first open up a Telegram app. After opening a Telegram app, guys, in order to change the font style on the message section, open the chat box of the person on which you want to send a message so we can change the font style in Telegram. So after opening the chat box, guys, let's type in a message like hello. Now in order to change the font style, tap and hold until the selection appears and select the message of which you want to change the font style. And after the selection, guys, you can see a box appearing where it says cut, copy, paste and code, and at the right side of the code there is the three-dotted icon available for us. In order to change the font style, we'll be required to tap on the three-dotted icon just beside the code, and this kind of font styles will be available for us where we are on the regular. Now in order to change it to something, let's tap on the italic, and you can see, guys, the font has been changed to italic. So let's do that again. Select a message over here and let's select it all and tap on the three-dotted icon again, and you can see let's tap on the mono, and you can see, guys, this way you will be able to change the font style on Telegram. You can see there are a lot of font styles over here you can choose. So let's type on spoiler, and you can see let's send it. The moment they tap on that message, that will be available, guys. So this is how you will be able to change text on Telegram. Select it, tap on the three-dotted icon when the box appears, and tap on any of these over here and let's send it. And you can see, guys, this is how to change font style in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.